Welcome to 123 Poop It Out. Check out our website 123poopitout.com and please subscribe to 123 Poop It Out on YouTube and check out Facebook, Insta, everything. So what we're making today is yogurt. I have a Bulgarian strain which makes really nice thick yogurt. So here is some. You can see, look at how thick that is. Can you see that? Yeah. So it's very simple, and a lot of people ask how to make it. So we're going to show you. So you want to boil your milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 85 degrees Celsius. Here in Canada we use Celsius and Fahrenheit, but I know Celsius, but up to 100 degrees. So now we've let this cool down to just over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, 105. You want to cool down to about 105, 110, which is in Celsius, that would be about 40, 45. So if you can see that. Now you gotta be careful of these guys, these thermometers. So put it somewhere safe. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour it into, I have a 1 liter, which is a quart. And then this guy's just, it's about 1 liter. So I actually measured before boiling it. So I'm just going to pour the milk in here. And then we just add old yogurt. You can buy strains online. Places like Cultures for Health, I believe, sell them. Amazon, there's probably some other places. Or you can just get some from the store. I did get mine online and been very happy with this one. It's very, very thick. So it, you can use your old yogurt to make new yogurt. And now the last time I didn't put that much in. Some people say put like 1 tablespoon in for that, but some other people say half a cup, but I've always put about 3 or 4. So this time I'm going to put extra. So these are about 2 tablespoons each. So I'm putting in about 8 tablespoons per quart or per liter, just to be safe. Because it didn't, 2 of them didn't turn out that well. They did, with extra time, ferment, but it took longer than in the past. In the past, after about 3 hours, they've been pretty well done. But you'll find anywhere from 3 to 8 hours, you can just leave them overnight. And you want to keep it about 110 degrees. And then always save some yogurt for new batches. My cat is sitting here because I showed him the milk. He actually likes not this kind of yogurt, but there's I'll do another video sometime called mesophilic, and those are ones that you don't have to heat up, like Villi from Finland. These are called thermophilic because you have to heat them thermal, right? So I've stirred it. We've got the jars here. Now all we need to do is put a top on them. They're nice and stirred. So I can add a bit more here. There he goes. You want some of this, baby? I was hoping he would become part of the video. Now, you can do a few different things to keep it warm. An old cooler or a new cooler works well. Make sure it's nice and warm inside. It's winter here, so I actually put hot water in it. And then you want to keep the temperature in there warm, so you can put hot water, like almost boiling, into a jar, which I've done, and that will keep it. I would still check it about every hour, and you can use that same thermometer. So emptying the water here that was in here to make it nice and toasty. So put our jars in, and then put the jar of water in it, so that will keep things nice and warm. And if you use mason type jars, then they won't crack when they're boiled. Top on, that's it. Leave it 3 to 8 hours and you've got great yogurt. So you don't need to spend the money buying it because it can be quite expensive. And just wanted to say you should try to get organic milk. If possible, get raw milk. It's much better. That means it's unpasteurized. But get organic, at least it's better for you. The animals are treated better, generally speaking. And it's better for the soil, especially if you can support a small farmer locally, even if it's not organic. If their cows are outside eating grass, the omega-3 is much higher in the milk, and the cows are happier, so it's better. Everybody wins. It's hard to find people locally who you can buy from unless you're in California and some other places where it's legal, but in Great Canada it's illegal to buy raw milk, but you can buy alcohol and weed and junk food. Anyway, subscribe 123 Poop It Out, and check out the other stuff 123poopitout.com. Enjoy.